Today, Milele joins the nation in celebrating the UAE's 54th National Day. This day marks the unification of the 7 Emirates in 1971, a moment that has shaped the spirit, identity, and progress of the UAE, and we honor this legacy with pride.
UAE is the only place where a lot of nationalities come together, live in harmony and peace. Without UAE, Milele wouldn't exist. This country has given us so much, and it's thanks to UAE and its business policy and the culture and diversity.
The UAE is the new American dream, a place where ambition is rewarded, dreams have room to grow, and no idea is too big to achieve if you're willing to put in the effort.
Honestly, the UAE has given me a lot. Stability, possibly a good future to look forward to because I found my wife here.
The second home for me. Everything is easy, everything is available.
हम 10 साल पहले आया था यूएई में. अभी यूएई भी अच्छा लग रहा है. मतलब इसका वेदर भी सही है, इसका हर चीज़ सही है, सेफ्टी भी है.
I'm proud to be here and honored to celebrate the UAE National Day with the people who call the UAE home.
I am very thankful and grateful for giving us and letting us have an opportunities and experience to improve ourselves, have a better future.
I've met a lot of people here, very good people that I've learned a lot from them.
We're here to celebrate the birthday of UAE, the nation which has been a home for all of us lately. We're having a pamuja. There's gonna be 5 questions.